Welcome to the Tech Nexus. Today, I am going to be talking about the Steam Deck and how it has been a footnote in Linux gaming history. Before I dive into how the Steam Deck has impacted on Linux gaming, I will explain what the Steam Deck is for those who have never heard of it before. The Steam Deck is a handheld gaming device developed by Valve, the company behind the popular Steam gaming platform. The device features a 7-inch touchscreen display, an AMD APU, and a custom version of SteamOS, which is a Linux-based operating system. The Steam Deck is designed to allow gamers to play their favorite games on the go, without the need for a traditional gaming PC. The device is compatible with all of the games available on the Steam platform, and users can also install other software and games from outside the Steam store. Now that I have explained what the Steam Deck is, I will explain how the Steam Deck has been a footnote in Linux gaming. Since its inception, Linux has struggled to gain a foothold in the gaming industry. Most game developers target Windows as their primary platform, with Mac and Linux ports as afterthoughts if they exist at all. This has left Linux gamers with limited options, and they have often had to resort to using compatibility layers like Wine to run Windows games on Linux. The Steam Deck represents a significant step forward for Linux gaming. With the device, Valve is taking a bold step into the handheld gaming market, and it is doing so with Linux as its primary operating system. By creating a device that is specifically designed for Linux gaming, Valve is signaling its commitment to the platform, and it is providing a new level of support for game developers who want to target Linux. The Steam Deck has also fueled development into Proton. Proton is a compatibility layer which allows Windows applications to run on Linux seamlessly and correctly. With the introduction of the Steam Deck, development in Proton has surged, resulting in it becoming more reliable and supporting more programs out of the box. This has meant that Linux has become a more viable option for both gamers and casual users. I am now to summarize and conclude my argument about how the Steam Deck has changed Linux gaming. The Steam Deck is among the first devices available commercially which has Linux pre-installed. Due to the Steam Deck's positive reception by gamers and critics, it may also result in more electronic devices being made with Linux pre-installed on them. The Steam Deck has also encouraged developers to keep note of Linux due to the growing user base. This could mean that native Linux builds of games could be made. Finally, the Steam Deck has encouraged the development of compatibility tools and layers such as Proton and Wine. This has meant that many Windows programs are now able to run on Linux. This has meant that both gamers and casual users can use Linux as their programs will now work due to these compatibility layers. In conclusion, the Steam Deck has been extremely beneficial to Linux gaming and Linux as a whole. Thanks for watching this Tech Nexus video. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.